Hi, I'm Montclair Mayor Sean Spiller with my weekly update for February 25th, 2021. First this week, I want to start with an update with regard to our recycling throughout the township. I want to share with residents, or remind everyone if you've seen, that unfortunately our Department of Community Services is experiencing a COVID-19 outbreak. Despite best efforts and following all the guidelines in place since March 2020, a number of employees have tested positive or have been exposed to the virus, which requires quarantining. As such, we are seeing a major impact to staffing, and we're having to modify the recycling collection schedule. Specifically, with regard to recycling, effective Friday, February 26th, curbside recycling is suspended until further notice. Recycling drop-off at the community service yard, which is at 219 North Fullerton Avenue, will be available on Wednesdays and Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. To allow residents to bring recyclables if need be. Existing refuse regular garbage collection will continue without interruption at this time. All other non-essential DCS operations and activities are suspended until further notice. Recycling that is left curbside from the 24th and the 25th may be delayed in terms of pickup until the 27th, but crews will work to get it picked up by then. As a note, we did reach out to 4 other refuse recycling haulers to see if we could utilize their services. 3 outright said no, as they are experiencing the same challenges and are overwhelmed, and 1 provided a 6-figure quote per month that is just not an option at this time. I also want to take this moment to really commend our team at DCS. I'll tell you, the staff there have been just doing an amazing job. As you likely know, they are the ones that plow and salt our streets during all these storms that we've been having, and then they get right back out there and pick up our refuse and recycling. They've been doing tremendous work, working long hours, and we thank them for the great job that they've been doing, and we certainly wish them well. So looking at COVID-19, and specifically looking at some of our COVID-19 updates, I want to give you our latest information that runs from the period of February 14th through February 20th. Our total new cases here in Montclair are 47, 9 of which were categorized as probable. Of those, 1 required hospitalization, and we've also seen 2 new deaths, bringing our total to 66. Our age ranges that we've seen 9 cases in the 0 to 20 age range, which is about 19%. We've seen 13 cases in the 21 through 30 for 28%. We've seen 4 cases in the 31 through 40, which is about 8%. We've seen 5 cases in the 41 through 50, which is about 11%. We've seen 12 cases in the 51 through 60. This is a significant jump. It's 26% from our numbers that we saw last week, where we only had 5 in this category. We've got 3 cases from 61 to 70, about 6%. None from 71 to 80, 1 from 81 to 90, about 2%, and none from the ages of 90 plus. With regard to testing, Essex County continues to conduct a robust testing program. Again, remember, there are testing sites located throughout the county, open 3 days a week. They've got increased hours. They've got the ability to test 800 people per day. To schedule a test, go to essexcovid.org. To schedule a test, go to essexcovid.org. And anyone who so chooses should go and get tested. Additionally, starting back on February 11th, we know that the YMCA here in Montclair, in partnership with MedRight, has been offering COVID-19 testing as well at the Park Street location. It's available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday, 10 to 4. It requires everyone wear your mask when you go in, but if you provide your health insurance card, your photo ID, you can get a rapid result test in an hour, and you can get a PCR lab test within 24 to 72 hours after that test reaches the lab. Again, you bring your insurance. It's at no cost to you as the patient. And for more information, you need to reach out to MedRight, and that's info@onsitecovid19testing.com for more information. Additionally, there's a same-day testing. That's the name of the company. Same-day testing is offering COVID testing in the parking lot at 300 Bloomfield Ave. That's on the corner of Bloomfield and Gates. So if you see there's a little parking lot there, there's a little sign they have on the fence. You can go in there for testing. If you are interested there, they're offering both the PCR and the rapid testing. Anyone wishing to make an appointment there can go to same day, all one word, sameday-testing.com, sameday-testing.com. Without insurance, they do require a fee for both tests. So again, without insurance, they do require a fee for both tests. With insurance, the testing is free. The PCR testing is definitely free, and I believe the other is as well. With regard to vaccines, as a reminder that the Essex County vaccine locations are up and running. Again, the limiting factor is quantity of vaccine that is available. The location for Montclair residents is going to be 235 Prospect Avenue in West Orange. That's the old Kmart location. As of February 21st, we've had 4,032 Montclair residents that have gotten their first shot and 1,266 Montclair residents that have gotten their second shot. Again, so we can put those numbers in context with our total population. But Essex County as a whole, as of February 24th, 63,675 have gotten the first shot and 29,461 have gotten the second shot. Again, although it varies, the county's getting between 9 and 11,000 vaccines per week in terms of allotment from the state. Everyone is hopeful that those numbers increase. We're seeing certain articles, as we all are, from Moderna and others saying they're going to try and up the amount of vaccine produced, and hopefully that then translates to the president and his administration getting it out more to the states, and then the governor and his team getting it out more to the counties, which allows more of our residents to get vaccinated, right? I know that certainly everyone has been thrilled with the way the vaccine, once you get your appointment, is administered. That's been great. But the big challenge and frustration is getting those appointments, right? So hopefully more vaccine will lead to alleviation of that challenge that everyone is facing. Also with J&J vaccine getting closer and closer to coming onto into circulation, that also should help in terms of the number of doses that are just available for people to get vaccinated with. So that should be a good thing as well. Remember, as you are going to get vaccinated at that site, if you're having any challenges with getting to the site, you can reach out. We are coordinating with the county right now. Currently, the county is seeing about 200 to 300 people utilizing services each week to get to the vaccination site. So you can just reach out to us at the town side to make sure you can get the assistance you need. Or you can reach out to the county through the county line, which is Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. They have a number of people staffing that line. The number there is 973-877-8456, 973-877-8456. And just a note that the CDC is now recommending double masking. And again, that's with some of these more infectious strains that we're seeing and spreading around quickly. So just note that guidance as well. I want to take just another moment to speak about the energy aggregation program that we have here in Montclair. I want to thank all the residents who tuned in for the town hall on the subject on Tuesday night. I think Gable Associates did a really great job, along with our own Gray Russell, who did a wonderful job answering residents' questions, really speaking to the issue. I did love with the one answer. It was a question of what are some of the downsides, and nobody could really think of one, so that was a good thing. Why is that? It's because the program offers much greener energy, almost double what the state requires and what PSE&G provides, and it does so at the same or lower cost. At this point, it is estimated that each resident would save between $50 and $60 over the term of the deal. What that amounts to, just to give you an idea, even last time from the program, and again, it's always slated to make sure we get greener energy, which is what Montclair always wants to lead on, and at the same or lower cost. Well, that lower cost last time was $850,000 lower to Montclair residents. There is an option to opt up to 100% green energy. There's a premium on that. Pay about $5 more a month, but you can get 100% green energy, which is a big deal, I know, for many people. So anyone interested can certainly reach out. You should have received all the information in the mail. So quick update on the COVID-19 task force and the work they're doing. Again, big kudos to everybody who's a part of that. It's really been wonderful to see the work. That work does continue, and the task force will likely come before the council, the full council, to present on March 16th. And of course, the public will be able to hear what they have to say at that time as well. So looking forward to hearing the co-chair, Shante Palmer, and of course, David Pasquale, as they come before us as a full council and give an update. So looking forward to that. Also want to let everyone know that the County of Essex right now is hiring for their 2021 seasonal jobs. Those are for positions at the Turtleback Zoo, the Mini Golf Safari, the Tree Chop Adventure Course, and paddle boats. If you're interested or know someone who's interested, please visit turtlebackzoo.com/employment, turtlebackzoo.com/employment for anyone who may be interested in some of that work that's being offered. And lastly today, I wanted to just share some really great news. On February 9th, we have a Montclair resident, Mr. Armour Harding Brown, who turned 100 years old. So big happy birthday. Everyone's really excited, and certainly have to say Mr. Brown's daughter had reached out. I think she contacted Lieutenant Williams just requesting assistance for a number of individuals from his church that were going to do a drive-by for the celebration. Well, certainly right after that, we know that Lieutenant Williams reached out to the Deputy Chief and Chief, and they helped really bring together a number of people, including the Montclair Police Patrol Division. They connected with the Montclair Fire Department, the Montclair Ambulance Unit, and so many others to lead a parade right by his house, and of course with him being able to watch everything there. Really cool and exciting. Mr. Brown, he's a World War II veteran. He's a former auxiliary Montclair police officer, and he served as Sergeant at Arms for the New Jersey Assembly for 25 years. So really, that's pretty awesome. And then, of course, after the parade, Mr. Brown was presented with a plaque, gifts, a proclamation from us at the council. Certainly everyone just wanting to wish him a happy birthday and to thank him for all his years of service in so many ways. So I know everyone was excited about it, and maybe his family was even more surprised than he was at the whole event. But really great news, and we wish him a happy birthday again. And with that, I want to just remind everyone that if you have any questions, please send them to questions@SeanSpiller.com. Send them to questions@SeanSpiller.com, and I'll try to answer them directly, or if there's a number of them that I get on a specific topic, I'll make sure I add it to our weekly updates. With that, thanks again, and stay safe. Bye-bye.